Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you all good and enjoying your life with your family, friends and colleagues. Today we are focusing on the environment protection on the workplace. Environment protection in the workplace, protecting the environment not only good for the planet but also benefit our health and safety. Let's explore ways to be environment responsible at work. First, reduce waste by implementing recycling programs. Encourage workers to separate recyclable like paper, plastic, and metals. Provide clear labeled and recycle bins and ensure these are empty regularly. Minimize energy consumption by using energy efficient equipment and lighting. Turn off lights and equipment when not in use. Consider using a motion sensor or timers to control lighting in low traffic areas. Properly manage hazardous waste to prevent environmental contamination. Follow regular regulations for disposing chemicals and barriers and electronic waste. Ensure all waste is labeled correctly and stored safely until disposed. Uh, Conserve water by fixing leaks promptly and using water saving fixture. Encourage workers to use water responsibly and report any issues immediately. Promote sustainable practices such as using reusable containers, reducing paper use, and supporting green initiatives. Educate workers on important of environment protection and how they can contribute. To sum up, environment protection in the workplace is about making conscious choice to reduce our impact. By implementing these practices, we can create a healthier and more sustainable environment. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question regarding OHS, please comment.